Are these the new Lalaloopsy? Are they the horses?
Yeah.
Show me what you did to Lalaloopsy's hair. Alright, what about Lalaloopsy's hair? Let me see all those barrettes you put in her hair. Where's the one with the yellow hair?
Right here.
Hmm. What's that hat I see behind you? There's a hat behind you.
Oh, there.
Tell them who.
It's my helmet.
What kind of helmet?
My new helmet.
What is?
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn.